Hey guys, welcome back. My third vlog is here. And today, I'm gonna tell you guys a few gameplays I'm gonna try. But first, let's do the toy showcase first. Remember the tarantula on episode 1? This is it. Um, coming, One of the coming soon game next to 5 Minutes at Freddy's is Minecraft Pocket Edition. I'm gonna have to try to find a way to record the video while I'm playing in the cell phone because I'm using a cell phone right now, so this is mine. But look at this, there's a little chunks and this one too. Looking really weird. Poisonous tongue, even a bat has stings. Look at its bottom part. See guys, coming soon on the gameplay video will be Five Nights at Freddy's and Minecraft Pocket Edition. I already finished the game, so I'm gonna reset the game, restart it, and gonna play it again, guys. This is Batman. The toy is I'm gonna review next time. It doesn't have a texture on the back like Spider-Man on the black, but it does have a cape, and it really looks cool. Has glowing light, but I can't find the button again, so yes, so here is Spider-Man, guys. Same as Batman, no texture on the back, but blue and red. It's blue and red, no texture on the back, guys, but it does look kind of cool, guys. It doesn't look too cool. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Well, we're already taking 2 minutes, sorry guys. But I don't know what to do today. So this is my first video of the week. The second video is later, guys. I think I'm doing it after lunch. Yeah guys, I think I'm doing it after lunch. So I can't think of a way to do something, guys. Help me! I'm really nervous about this, but we still have a summative test on it tomorrow. So bye guys, I have to review later. So I have to be prepared for the next video and subscribe in the comment if you like. Even if you didn't like the video, a subscribe will be greatly appreciated. So bye guys.